Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of Node.js in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for Node.js in your preferred search engine. Now go to the download link of nodejs.org and look for the Linux version of Node.js. We can install Node.js in multiple ways. Today we are going to install Node.js via Package Manager. Click on the Package Manager link. Choose the Debian and Ubuntu-based Linux distributions link. Now click on the Node.js binary distributions link. Make sure your Linux version is listed in the supported distribution list. Now choose the Node.js version you wish to install. Copy the Linux command. Open the terminal on Linux. Now paste the command and press enter. Then copy the second command and paste in the terminal and press enter and wait for the installation. Node.js is installed now. To check the installation is success, type the node-v command in terminal, then the installed version of Node.js will be displayed. To check the Node Package Manager, type the npm-v command in terminal, then the installed version of npm will be displayed.